So, today's topic is compound or complex tissues. This will actually not be too complex at all. Look at this plant tissue right here. Can you appreciate that this here is made up of many kinds of cells? So now, I've got a question for you. You know how when we're thirsty, we just go ahead and drink water. But what about plants? Have you ever thought about them? Well, let me tell you, they might look simple and immobile, but plants have a really impressive internal system in order to meet their every need. So today, we will be looking at a plant's plumbing. This pipe-like system allows food and water to be delivered all over the plant, to all its parts. Be it the leaves, the flowers, the developing fruits, and even the stems and the roots. These are the complex tissues called the xylem and the phloem. Just remember, you'll only find these two in vascular plants only. So first, we have the xylem tissue. The xylem's job is to transport water and the dissolved substances all the way from the roots to all the aerial parts of the plant, quenching their thirst. That is some feat, especially when you realize that there are some trees that grow up to be many meters tall. Incredible. And you know what? This tissue also helps support a plant, allowing it to stand tall because of the strong cell walls of one of the cells found within it. This strength comes from, once again, lignin. Now, what exactly is the xylem made up of? Well, the answer is two different cells. You will find vessel elements and tracheids making up the xylem if you study it with a microscope. The vessel elements are the ones with the thick lignified secondary cell walls, but they don't completely encircle the cells. The walls are incomplete at the upper and lower ends of the vessel elements. So the cells just stack up over each other, forming a tube-like structure. This tube is what the water travels in, just like in a pipe. How marvelous is that? The second cell type you'll find in the xylem tissue is the tracheids. These are slender cells with tapered ends that just overlap with each other. And that was all for the xylem.